से देंगे। ये कुछ मेंटेनेंस तो पता नहीं, फ्लैट ही नहीं रहेगा तो मेंटेनेंस क्या आएगा, पर एक्चुअली तो
This is a short demonstration of color TV trainer kit. We have provided 22-inch LCD TV. Following are the panels used in this trainer kit. Number 1, control panel. In this control panel, we have given 230 volt AC supply. There is also a manual keyboard provided on this control panel. Without a remote control, you can operate using the switches. Standby, menu, functions. You can increase channel, you can decrease the channel, increase and decrease volume. That is all possible using this manual keyboard. We also have provided a power switch. If you are using AC supply, the switch should be at the upside, top side. And if you are using a dimmer, you have to connect a dimmer to these 2 points, and you have to put the switch to the downside. You can vary voltage from 170 to 270 volt AC, and you can see the effect on this LCD TV. At present, we have used a DTH system. This is the output of DTH system, AV output. This is the video, audio left, audio right, and the output is taken, and the output is given to this motherboard. In this, we also have provided fault. Some fault switches have been provided here. If I put the switch to downside, then video will not work. If I put the switch to the downside, then audio left will not work. And if I put the switch downside, then this right speaker will not work. Let me show you how it functions. I'll increase the volume.
मैं सेंसोडाइन हाईली रेकमेंड करती हूँ। मैं सेंसोडाइन इस्तेमाल करने की सलाह दूंगी।
So this speaker will not work.
डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं कि कपड़े की गीलेपन से जलन।
Down, so video will not work. So these are some fault switches we have provided in this first panel, that is control panel.
नया पैराशूट समर लोशन स्प्रे, बस एक पल में फ्रेशनेस बरसाए।
Also, you can connect external USB here at this particular slot. The second panel is fault panel for VGA. Here you can connect a monitor or a laptop. You can connect here using 15-pin VGA, and whatever you observe on the monitor or on the laptop, that can be observed on this TV screen. We also have given some switches here, that is fault switches: horizontal sync, vertical sync, red color problem, green color problem, blue color problem, and blurred image. So once you connect it to a laptop using 15-pin VGA, 15-pin, then whatever you observe on the laptop or on computer or monitor screen, it will be observed on this LCD screen. And at that time, you can observe the faults. You have to make on the fault, then particular fault will be created here on this screen. In this way, we have completed fault panel for VG. The number 3 panel we have used is test point panel. Some test points have been provided here, like number 1. Here, if you connect a multimeter with respect to ground, you will observe 12 volt. Test point number 3 is standby 5 volt. Test point number 4 is AGC. And similarly, some waveforms you can observe at these points, like test point number 9, infrared pulses. Like if I operate the remote, and you can observe on test point number 9 with respect to ground, some pulses you can observe on CRO. So 2 test points have been provided in short on this test point panel. Number 1 is the voltage test point, and the second is waveform test point. Waveform test point, you have to use a CRO, and for voltage test points, observe it on digital multimeter. In this way, we have completed all the 3 panels that we have used in this TV trainer kit. I also wish to explain you, we have used 2 10-watt speakers, speaker left and speaker right. This is the motherboard, SMPS section, and here once again we have provided a small display fault using DIP switches. DIP1, as mentioned here, has got 3 numbers of faults. Like if I put on number 1, number 2, number 3, number 1, number 2, number 3 switches, then plain raster will be obtained on this screen. If I operate 8th switch of DIP1, then I will get ghost image. Similarly, you can observe DIP2, DIP3 and DIP4. You can operate all these 4 faults. You can create faults and you can observe it on this LCD screen. Finally, we also at the bottom side we have given a layout or block diagram for color LCD TV trainer. Antenna cum tuner section number 1, IF amplifier cum detector section number 2. These are some block diagrams. FM detector and audio output section, SMPS section, and infrared remote receiver section and controller panel. This completes my demonstration of 22-inch LCD color TV trainer kit.
Done. Okay.